whānui tēnā koutou, nau mai ki tēnei hopu ka reo moi. Welcome to this sleep soundscape, created especially for you by our whānau here at Maikaoromaori Māori. We hope this recording helps you to relax and brings you a restorative and healing, restful sleep. Please get yourself comfortable, lying down in a place where you won't be disturbed and where you can safely and comfortably fall asleep. This soundscape works best wearing headphones so that all the Taonga Pūoro can be heard clearly. Together we will go on a journey to help you release any stressful thoughts. We will invite your tipuna to come and surround you, hold you in their protective embrace, help your tinana relax and let go of any tension. The aim is that you will drift off to sleep during this recording, but if you would like to come back and pick up where you left off, there are timestamp links to help you navigate to your preferred section. Our intention is to create more of these resources for whānau, so if you find this resource helpful, check back here so you can see when new content is posted. This recording would not have been possible without the profound generosity and aroha of our beautiful friend and mentor, Master Carver Brian Flintoff. He is the reason these Taonga Pūoro are available to sing you to sleep. E te rakatira, e kore e mimiti te aroha mō. Thank you for your endless generosity and for your mahi contributing to bringing Taonga Pūoro back to te ao Māori. So now, whānau mā, once you are comfortable, gently close your eyes and we will get started. From our whānau to yours, we wish you a moi filled with deep rest that is nurturing for your tinana, wairua and hinekaro. Nāia ka mihi o te whānau o Maikaoro Māori, pō Māori e. ki te waiata o hine pū te hue. Hine pū te hue is the atua of the gourd. Her music brings us peace and healing. She absorbs negative energy and transmutes it into light. Let the hue sounds wash over you, bringing calm, clearing away any negativity. Let the healing sounds of the hue bring you peaceful release from the mental and emotional load of the day. Bring your attention to your tinana. Focus on the feeling of your body relaxing on the surface below you. This surface connects you to Papatūānuku. Feel the heaviness and weight of your body as you let yourself relax. Allow your shoulders to drop down, letting go of any tension they might be holding as you gently bring your awareness to your breath. As you breathe, you invite in the cleansing air from the realms of Ranginui to purify your lungs. Through your breath, you unite the essence of the primordial parents, Ranginui and Papatūānuku, in your tinana. Ha ki roto. Breathe in. Ha ki waho. Breathe out. as your body relaxes and all the tension melts away, you become aware of the sounds of a nawa. This is a special river that connects you to your ukaipo, your homelands, your whakapapa. You feel deeply comforted by this connection, and you notice the river is clean and pure, with crystal clear water flowing gently downstream. Next to the river, there is a forest of trees, ancient and strong. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow your mind to clear all thoughts away. If you have any whakaaro you need to release, imagine that the trees are softly releasing their leaves and sending them to float down around you. You pluck a leaf from the air and hold it in both of your hands. You allow it to absorb any thoughts or emotions that you need to release. You then place the leaf into the river and watch as it gently floats away. You can use as many leaves as you need to release your thoughts, let go, and relax into sleep. Watch as the leaves float away and slowly disappear out of sight. Soon you become aware of a comforting presence. You realize the river is connecting you to your tipuna, and they are emerging to come and stand behind you, to stand around you, to protect you as you drift into a deep, peaceful sleep. You hear one of your tipuna reciting a karakia to help you let go and keep you safe as you embrace the peace and deep rest of slumber. you feel warm, calm, and deeply relaxed as you hear the gentle sounds of paddling in the distance. A waka has appeared upstream, and you notice it is being paddled by your kaitiaki. As the waka gets closer, your tipuna gently lift you and place you on this waka. The waka is lined with the most comfortable blankets you have ever experienced. You know that this waka will carry you to a place of sleep, so relaxing and rejuvenating that you will wake up feeling the most refreshed and energized you have ever felt. Your tipuna smile as your kaitiaki begins to paddle you to the place where you will rest for the duration of your sleep. You are calm and protected. You are warm and comfortable. You are peaceful and happy to gently drift, listening to the sounds around you as you let yourself go into a beautiful, deep sleep. Pō mana hau